Hi guys, Leslie here, and I was talking to somebody earlier and they were like, "Hey, how do you get these emojis down here in your YouTube doodah in your YouTube description? How do you get these here if you're not doing it on mobile?" And I'm not doing it on mobile. I actually just upload all of my videos from desktop. I just know how to put emojis in desktop. And I just happened to bumble across this one day because I was like, man, I really need some emojis to make this stand out. So I just went to Google and I just started looking and blah, blah, blah. And so I found this. I came across Codex WordPress um, because this also works on my WordPress blog. Okay. But this is going to work on desktop as well, which some people may not know. So I'll put the link to this in the description, but all you're going to do is just watch what I do, okay? So if you're on Windows 10, which I am, this is going to be the simplest thing you ever did in your whole life. You're going to go down to your taskbar here at the bottom. You see my taskbar has a bunch of stuff. And you're just going to right mouse click over your taskbar, and you're going to pick Show Touch Keyboard Button, okay? That's it. And then you're going to see this keyboard here that popped up. Okay, so that's all I did is I followed the Windows 10 instructions. If you have Windows 8, I can go ahead and I'm just going to drop this link down in the description. Okay, so if you have Windows 8 or Mac OS X or Linux, you can just follow those instructions to get your emojis. But this is for Windows 10, and you'll see that the keyboard did pop up. It says Touch Keyboard. So let's go ahead and just hit edit on this video so you can just kind of see what I mean. This will work anywhere. It'll work on Facebook, but Facebook already has emojis, but it'll pretty much work anywhere if you're doing anything from desktop. So say I want an emoji here. I'm just going to hit this touch keyboard. It's going to pop up, and I'm going to get this little happy face dude. And I'm going to click on little happy face dude, and I'm going to see all these different emojis pop up. Now, you're not going to get as an extensive list as you do on your mobile phone because they're constantly updating that mobile phone list. But you do get a ton of options that you wouldn't normally get just with, the regular happy face ones where we do the little semicolon, open parentheses, and that makes a happy face. Well, these are just much more extensive options. So, I don't know, let's just put the heart in, for example. So click where you want it, and then see, you just click on it and it'll pop up there. And then that's it, and you have your emojis. And then you just hit save. This pretty much works anywhere. I mean, it'll work inside your WordPress website. It works anywhere. I originally found it for WordPress, but then somebody, like I said, asked me how was I getting them down here on YouTube. Well, that's how. I'm just using the touch keyboard emoji function. Okay, so I hope that that helps somebody because I feel like emojis just make our life a lot better and make it a lot more expressive. And please like and subscribe if you liked this video, and I will talk to you later.